Today we're going to talk about how to answer constructed response or short answer questions. Our essential question for this lesson is, why is it important to have strategies to use when approaching short answer and essay questions? Think about, why would we want to have a system in order to approach these questions? To start with, we're going to look at constructed response and short answer questions. What does that even mean? Basically, it's asking you to apply your knowledge and understanding in a short written answer. The difference between a constructed response and a short answer: a constructed response is a response to a document. You read something and you answer a question based on what you've read. A short answer may or may not have a document for you to read and respond to. Like a traditional essay, the first thing that you should do is read the entire question. What is it that they're asking you for? They're asking you to explain, elaborate, illustrate. Other words you might think to hear is demonstrate or clarify. You want to make sure that you understand the prompt. Try and put it in your own words. And then list items that you need to identify and facts and examples to support your answer. Brainstorming is just as important in a short response as it is a fully developed essay. The strategy we're going to use is the acronym R.A.C.E. R-A-C-E. Reword, answer, cite evidence, and explain. The R in R.A.C.E. stands for reword. Restate the question and make it into a statement as part of the answer you provide. If the question says, on a science test, what color is the sky? And you say, the color of the sky is usually blue. That would be an example of rewording. The second step in R.A.C.E. is to answer. Show how you arrived at your answer with general reasons. Usually the R and A in R.A.C.E. are in the same sentence. What color is the sky? The color of the sky is usually blue because of how we see light waves and weather conditions. So the R and A, reword and answer, are often the first sentence in your response. The letter C in R.A.C.E. stands for cite evidence or examples. You want to use facts and examples to support what you're saying. The sky is usually blue because of how we see light waves and the weather conditions. That's our R and our A. Our C: according to scientists, humans see blue sky based on what kinds of light waves are visualized in the eye, how sunny the day is, and the direction of the sunlight. After you cite your examples, you've got to explain what you're talking about. You have to elaborate on your evidence. The sky is usually blue because of how we see light waves and the weather conditions. According to scientists, humans see blue sky based on what kinds of light waves are visualized in the eye, how sunny the day is, and the direction of the sunlight. Here comes our explanation. On a clear sunny day, the sun is directly shining on us. Because of the molecules in the air reflect the scattered blue light waves more than red or orange when it bounces off direct sunlight, we see blue. As the sun sets, the direction of its light goes away from us, so the molecules reflect the red or orange waves of light that we see at sunsets. So what did we do? We used reword, answer, cite, and explain in order to get all of the information that we have about the color of the sky down on paper. When you are doing a constructed response for a teacher, please use the strategy in order to make sure that all the information that you have is demonstrated to the person who's reading your essay. Race through those questions. Reword, answer, cite, and explain. When revisiting our essential question, why is it important to have strategies to use when approaching short answer and essay questions? Because it helps us communicate all the knowledge we have effectively, which is extremely important in today's society.